Ciao guys, my name is Paul, welcome back to this new video. So today I'm going to show you how I got this look. Starting from oily hair, I'm going to show you a new trick. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel. It's going to be down there, click the red button. You're going to see a lot of other videos about hair and fashion that you may enjoy, and also make sure to follow me on Instagram. For today's video guys, I wanted to show you this new trick that I got from my brother to get rid of oily hair. So me personally guys, I want to grow out my hair. That's why I'm taking care of it a bit more, and I'm trying to wash it less as possible. So that's why I wanted to share with you. It's not something new, so most of you may already know this, but I've discovered that to get rid of oily hair you can use baby powder instead of like dry shampoo, because in Italy dry shampoo is very expensive. So that's why I wanted to show you this very cheap alternative. This is what I bought to use in this video, and I've decided to put it inside this bottle that I recycled from an old hair dust product that I had. And I did this because the cap right here allows me to use only a little quantity of product. That's why I would advise you guys use this thing. And the second advice is, of course, me, I have blonde hair as you can tell, and it's in a way easier to hide the dust and to make it go away. But if you have very dark hair, especially my brother's got dark hair, it's a bit trickier to make it go away. But it's something that I would advise you guys just double check and triple check and make sure that you cannot see any of this dust on your hair, because it's something that we do not want to happen. And the third thing that I would recommend you guys do is to put clothes on after fixing your hair. It happened to me before that I put on like a black shirt or a black t-shirt and put this product on, and you could see the fallout, and I had to change outfit. So enough talking. If you're interested in knowing how I got this hairstyle, then please keep on watching. Let's go into this video, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix this hairstyle, which, as you know, is pretty dirty in a way. It's very oily. I haven't really washed my hair in 3 days, so this is how my hair looks after 3 days without showering in it. And of course, it's summer, we do not want to wash our hair every single day because that is very damaging. And especially me, I want to grow my hair a bit out, so leaving it like this, it's always something good for your hair to keep it healthy. And sometimes that is something that people do not understand. We tend, me personally, to wash it too much. And so I'm starting this thing of washing it a bit less, but keeping it always really clean and dry. And today I'm going to show you some hacks on how to fix your hair without showering and without cleaning it, without washing it. We're just going to start from this base and use just a little bit of powder and try to see what we can achieve as a result. So the first thing we're going to do is to move our hair to one side, which is going to be, for me, this side, which is the right side, and for you guys going to be the left side, but bear with me and try to understand what I'm doing. Okay, so it's very oily on the roots. The end part is pretty cool, so we're going to put a little bit of dust over the roots and shake it and see what comes out with. This is a trick that I always do when I'm in a rush and I have to go out and do not have time to wash my hair, and I still want volume and my hair to look clean. Okay, so this is how your hair should look like after putting the baby powder on. As you can see, also the roots are very, not oily. It looks very clean, as if I just took in a shower. And if I were to go out right now, what I would also apply to my hair is, of course, something to set it even more and to define a bit more of the waves. For example, as you've seen from my latest video, I would use this molding clay from Primark, which is really good. Just would take just a little bit of like this and put it over just to give a bit more definition and make it long lasting, just like so. You know, just to give them a bit of definition. Okay guys, so this is the look that I created today. If you found this video helpful, then please click the like button down below and make sure to follow my Instagram account and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.